Hi, welcome to Apify. In this video, we'll be looking at our new Medium Notifications actor. We created it to help us keep track of the responses we get on our Medium blog posts. The Apify blog features posts from several accounts, and instead of checking each of them, we wanted to receive all the notifications in one place. So, we automated it. Here are 6 steps to never missing another response on your Medium blog posts. If you're new to Apify, first you'll need to sign up. For example, you can use your Google account. Once you're logged in, since you're running an actor, click on the Actors button in the left side menu. Next, click the Find in Store button to visit the Apify store. Once you're there, search for the Medium Notifications actor and click Try it for free. This will automatically redirect you back to the Apify app and create a new actor task. In the task's input section, add all the URLs or IDs of the Medium blog posts that you would like to track. Then add your email address. Finally, click Save and Run at the bottom of the screen. You will find the notifications in your email inbox. Each email will contain the Medium blog post title and a link to its responses from the previous day. Of course, you don't want to do this every day. Luckily, we can automate this too, by setting up a schedule. In the Apify app, go to the Schedules tab in the left side menu. Create a new schedule and give it a memorable name. Then choose how frequently you want it to run and click Save. Next, we'll click on the Task tab. Click Add Task and select the task you created earlier from the drop-down menu. You don't need to override any inputs right now, as they're already set up the way we want them. So just click Save. You can then check the Schedules section to make sure your schedule is set up properly and to see when its next run will be. We hope you enjoy scraping the web and automating processes with Apify. If you have any questions or interesting ideas on how to improve Apify, please let us know.